Oh my gosh, who's excited? We are making original artwork for our new real estate office. So whoop, whoop. Here I am. Before I decided to film the video, I had already gotten started, and so I'm using this fast drying spackle. I'll insert the photo coming up so you'll know which one I used. I'm using my husband's, I think it's called a trowel. And here I am making the design that I want. And so I decided to make original artwork for our office because we had originally wanted to make artwork for our home and just never got around to it. And as we were buying photos and stuff, they were gangster in the prices. Like, I think the least expensive painting we were able to find, or pictures, sets, and photos, started at $129 and went upwards of $249. And in my opinion, when we were out there looking, they weren't even that great. So now that I'm opening my new office, Fusion Properties LLC and Fusion Insurance, we're going to be located at 1047 Murchison Road right here in Fayetteville, North Carolina, and we're going to be in Suite 104, hoping to be in by the end of the month. We're getting everything together, but if my artwork comes out like I believe it's going to come out and as fabulous as I'm hoping that it will, then I'm definitely going to be selling it on our walls. So they are going to be incredible. This was the first one I did. So all I did was put in the product that you saw. I'll go back and figure out the name. Fast and Final Lightweight Spackling. And I got the lightweight spackling because someone said if you don't get lightweight that it makes the piece really heavy. And so these are going to be my original artwork to hang in our new office, Fusion Properties LLC and Fusion Insurance. So excited. And so we're in the process of getting everything together so we can move into the office. We are doing the furniture. Let me see, we're making the bar that the brokers are going to sit at. It's going to be so awesome. We thought about getting individual desks, and I was like, I don't want it to be a traditional office space. And my husband had the idea to create a bar, so I ordered the stools for those today. I was able to pick one up. And then as I was going around looking for all the artwork, y'all, art gangster. And it's not even cute art at the store. I thought I'm gonna make my own art. So I got on YouTube and saw where you could use the spackle product from Lowe's. So for $27, about a gallon of spackle, I bought 4 canvases so far. I got all my 40% coupons together so I can buy the other 4 we need. And these 3 are gonna hang above the broker's station where the bar is gonna be. And then the other ones are going to be different areas throughout the office, but these 3 are going to be the exact same, so I will keep you posted. But I'm super excited. Those of you that have been following my channel, you know in my lifetime I always wanted to be an artist, right? Full-time, but I'm a full-time real estate broker and owner instead, but I'm so excited to be creating original artwork for my new office. You guys stay tuned. God bless you. I know it's not jewelry, but hey, coming so excited. Okay, so this is the last one, and we kind of did it in an X pattern because we have some pillows that have like some V's and V shapes, so that's why we did this one different from the other ones. Pray it comes out. Trying to decide what I want to do like in the blank spacing. I probably need to go watch another tutorial because these are all textured, where these are just semi-textured. So this is going to give like a raised effect. Stay tuned. Starting the pictures here because I know you couldn't really see it that well because the camera was so close. So enjoy, and I'll be back when it's time to paint. This says it takes 30 minutes to dry, but because it's so thick, I'm going to go ahead and let it dry overnight.